the FNU training coordinator, our dear Talatala, all our invited guests, little children at the back, our elders, our graduates. Once again, very good afternoon to you all. Let me start by saying that I believe that education is a life changer. And I want to share with you my success story. Normally I don't tell people that. But I want to say that where I am today is because of my mom and her vision to get her 5 children educated single-handedly. I grew up in a single family where my mother was a house girl. But one thing she never compromised was our education. Believe me, I went to school in the 80s. And that time, life was very difficult. We had to pay a lot of fees. And my mom used to work as a house girl. 3 houses in one day. So she could get enough money to buy us groceries, to pay our school fees, and to make sure that we did not miss out on education. And today, she's 74 years old. And everything that I am today, I owe it to her. So the parents in this room and the parents of our country, please do not play with the education of your children. Education should be the priority. And for the government that I work for, Fiji First government, Bainimarama government, we have prioritized education. We have made sure that every child who is of a schooling age must go to school. Unfortunately, let me tell you, there are still children who don't go to school. There are still parents who don't send their children to school. Reasons best known to them. So we as adults are spoiling the future of our future generations, our children. And if I look across the room, I'm sure we have the adults graduating with a certificate. So that you yourself are a good example to our country's youths. Education has no age. Education has no barrier. I'm still studying. People say, enough, ab nahi paro. Nahi, but we have to continue studying. So education doesn't stop, and I must congratulate you and FNU for bringing these causes to our communities and societies. To all of you who've taken time out to be part of this training, congratulations. You are a winner in yourself. Here, some of you may be starting your families. Good luck to you. You know, our whole life as adults is sort of dominated with a vision to give our families a better life. Our children a better life, our partners a better life, and our communities probably progressing in that nature. So you have stepped up. I know it must not have been easy. Some of you may have dropped out of schools, but the certificate that you're going to receive today is, again, your journey is a new life's journey. And they say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You have a long way to go. And believe me, I will join the guests present here to wish you the very best in what tomorrow brings to you. And believe me, if you are positive, tomorrow will be a very bright tomorrow for you. Never give up on life. Never think you are a failure. Always, if you fall down, stand up again. Walk. We all have, all of the successful people around you have stories to tell you. Listen to their stories. Life has not been easy on us. Life will not be easy on you too. But you have to believe in yourself. And to the thousands of parents in Fiji whose children are going to sitting for exams, I wish them all the best. Please ensure that you take time out to help your child prepare for the exams that they are going to do. Otherwise, they will waste the years of studies. You know, children have just got out of COVID. COVID was not easy on any of us. So they need our support. You need to wake up early, cook them some nice food, in a very happy manner, send them to school. Just see that the children's daily needs are met by the parents. So without going into the other side of things, I'm just going to say, smile please. Smile, you know. Sometimes when you smile, it takes a bit of your worries away. We all have problems. We all have challenges. You may think, oh, what is she talking about? She doesn't have problems. I have so many problems. but what can we do? Right? Smile. God, Tala just said, everything is, whatever is happening is destined by the Almighty God. Eh? So the God has given us this day today to be part of your success. And you are very successful. To all the 13 graduates, you are very successful. So your training has both been theoretical and practical, and it will allow people, all 13 of you, from the province of Serua and Namosi, including citizens of Navua, to benefit in the meat industry workforce with ease. You know, meat industry workers, there's a lot of demand in overseas countries, Australia and New Zealand. So you can always join our local workforce, you can always join the international market for better prospects in future. But I would love for all of you to stay back in Fiji and serve our community. Let's talk about how the young graduates who are going to graduate today can become good role models for other younger people in the communities. You have to be job creators. You should see how you are going to utilize this training to ensure that you create jobs. You are in the meat industry, poultry, sheep, what else? Goat, beef. How can we forget beef? So what is it going to do to our nation? If everybody puts in their skills and training and does their share, the import costs, the price of meat that we pay when we import from other countries is definitely going to go down. Why do we pay so much for lamb chops? Why do we pay so much for beef, imported beefs? Because we are not growing it locally, because the production locally is very, very small. So Fiji, being a nation with a lot of land and a good climate and good people, we can do better. We can do better. We can contribute to the agriculture industry in our own ways. Every person who lives at home can be a domestic farmer. A few chickens here and there, get egg for their breakfast. Anything is possible. We've seen that during COVID. Anything is possible if we are willing to work hard, if we have the support. And this is the support that FNU has provided to the Navua, Namosi community by training the people from here, Navua, Serua. We look forward to have more trainings in other parts as well, where you don't have to come to Suva, FNU campus, where the campus comes to you. That's the whole idea of the service that we provide. And FNU, being our government's premier university, is just doing that. So congratulations on that. Because I'm sure you wouldn't have gone to Suva if Suva hadn't come to you. Yeah? So I'm glad FNU has designed these programs where they come out to communities to equip the people, because the people need this. And am I true? You wouldn't have gone there, eh? You wouldn't have gone there had FNU not come to you. I'm sure we can work on programs which are going to benefit our communities in future. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, today is about celebration. Today is about celebrating you. Today is about celebrating your success, your progress, and your future. Imagine in 5 years' time when we meet across the street somewhere, you may be employed in somewhere in New Zealand in the meat industry. But like I said, we need our people to work for our country, right? So I know you're excited to get your certificates. I'm excited to give it to you. Keep smiling. God bless you. Eat healthy, grow healthy, eat healthy, be healthy. Eh? And God bless you all and wish you every success in future. Thank you.